Hi champs, it's your Priyanka ma'am, and today in this video we are going to learn a very interesting chapter of EVS games we play. In this lesson we are going to learn about different kinds of indoor and outdoor games. I know we all love to play games, so you're gonna enjoy this chapter. So let's start our chapter with story of two sisters Avantika and Nandita. I request all of you to pay attention on the different games that will come in between the chapters. So my dear children, please pay the attention. Now let's look at the picture. There are three children playing and one lady standing and looking at them. All children were playing Steppo. Steppo is also known as hopscotch in the lane. All children were playing a game named Steppo. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. You can see a girl in green dress. She is Avantika and this is Nandita. But Nandita was not playing the game because she was not able to play the game in right way. So she was sad because she is not able to play Steppo. Avantika told her that listen to me very carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Avantika told her that she needs to understand the game. Throw the marker or thippi in the first box, the box named number 1. Then on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. She needs to jump from 1 to 2. Keep in mind, you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4, 5 and 7, 8. Here you can see in the picture 1, 2 and 3. In all the 3 boxes you need to put your one leg only, and in 4, 5 and 7, 8 boxes you need to put both the legs together. Take care your feet should not touch the lines. While playing the game, we need to take care that our feet should not touch the lines drawn around the boxes. So this game is known as Steppo. And if your feet touches the ground, you will be out of the game. See, the children are playing Steppo in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can draw the path of Steppo till number 10. In this game, by doing Langri Tang, you need to hop from 1 to 2 to 3, and then you need to put your both the leg down in 4 and 5 box. Then again do the Langri Tang on the 6 box and then put both the legs on 7th and 8th box. When you reach the last box, turn around. When you reach at 7 and 8 box, you need to turn around and while coming back, pick up the marker or thippi and bring it back. And then you need to throw the marker or thippi in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes. The children started playing again. Since long, Chachi was watching them. The lady who was standing beside them were watching the children playing. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking, "Can I play with you?" Chachi asked the children that can she play with them? Can she also play Steppo along with them? Because she was also excited. The children laughed aloud. Ha 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 ha. Avantika asked Chachi, "Chachi, you will play?" Chachi answered, "Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch?" चाची ने पूछा कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे हॉपस्कॉच नहीं आता? At your age, we played so many different games. Chachi told them in her childhood she played so many different games. So, Nandita was asking Chachi that which games did you play, Chachi? नंदिता ने चाची को पूछा कि आप कौन सी गेम्स खेलते थे अपने ज़माने में? So, Chachi answered the children that we play Langri Tang. This game is known as Langri Tang, in which you need to put your one leg down on the ground and you need to lift your one leg, and then you have to run and catch the other person. Hide and seek means chupam chupai. We all play hide and seek. Yes. Seven tiles. Seven tiles is also known as pittu. In this game, you need to make a building, make a small building with 7 stones. Then, and many more games they used to play. Chachi's team was best in Kabaddi among the 10 villages. So, Chachi was expert in Kabaddi. So, Rajat asked Chachi that how did you get so much time to play such games? We hardly get any time to play. रजत ने बोला कि आपको कैसे इतना सारा टाइम मिल जाता था, हमें तो बहुत कम टाइम मिलता है. तो चाची ने क्या आंसर दिया? देखो, चाची आंसर दैट यू ऑल आर सो बिजी वॉचिंग टीवी ऑल द टाइम. आप भी ऐसे ही करते हो ना, बाहर जाके खेलने का टाइम कम होता है. हम सब टीवी देखने में और मोबाइल्स में गेम खेलने में बिजी होते हैं. सो वी डोंट गेट मच टाइम टू प्ले आउटडोर गेम्स. सो नंदिता आस्क्ड चाची, डिड चाचा प्ले दिस गेम्स टू? चाचा भी यही गेम्स खेलते थे? तो चाची ने आंसर दिया कि योर चाचा सेज दैट ही यूज्ड टू प्ले मार्बल्स, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals. चाचा मार्बल्स यानी जो कांच की जो छोटे छोटे बॉल्स होते हैं उससे चाचा खेलते थे. फिर रेस्लिंग यानी कुश्ती. कबड्डी, गिल्ली डंडा game is similar to cricket, in which there is one big stick and you need to play with the ball by helping that stick. You can see in the picture, marbles are there in the pictures, green colored small balls. These are called marbles, and below the picture the boy is playing with the marble. In this game you need to target other marbles by shooting the marbles with one marble by using your fingers. So you can see this in the picture. This game improves your concentration power. You can also play this game at your home or in your courtyard if you have such marbles at your home front. This is very interesting game. I have also played this game in my childhood. So this is known as 7 tiles game. As I have told, in 7 tiles game you need to put 7 stones one by one like a building. It means you need to make a pile of flat stones. जो flat stones होते हैं उसको आपको एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखना है और उसकी एक पाइल बनानी है. Like a small building, you have to make a pile, and then you need to target all the 7 tiles, means all the 7 stones, by the ball. With the help of a ball, you need to target and throw the ball towards the pile of these stones. This game is generally played between 2 teams in a large outdoor area. Is won by the team who targets the stone first. Then wrestling. It is a game played between two people, as you can see in the picture. It is known as Kusti. Then Kabaddi, Gilli Danda and Flying Kites. Kabaddi is a team game played between two teams of 7 players each. Then Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is similar to cricket, bat and ball. The big stick is known as danda and the small stick is known as gilli. You need to hit the small gilli by using the danda. In this way you need to play gilli danda. This game is played in villages. Flying kites, you all know. हमें पतंग उड़ाना बहुत पसंद है. हम जनवरी मंथ में पतंग उड़ाते हैं. Yes, 14th January is known as Uttarayan. On that day we all fly the kites. These all are outdoor games. Look at the pictures carefully to understand the game. Kabaddi, Gilli Danda and Flying Kites. Then football, hockey and cricket. These are the outdoor games. All the three games are played by using a ball. Ball is common between all the three games. Football. We all know we play football by using our leg. Then hockey. Hockey is the national game of India. In hockey, there is a small ball and all the players play this game by using a hockey stick. Then cricket. We all love cricket. Bat and ball. Yes. And stumps. So, let us get back to our chapter. Nandita told Chachi that come and play with us. Chachi, do come and play. Chachi started playing with the children. Chachi ने खेलना start कर दिया. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. उन लोगों ने थोड़ी देर तक ही खेला और बारिश आ गई. All the children were saying, "Oh no." So Chachi told that let us go to my house. We will play inside. Because of rain, Chachi told the children that they will go to Chachi's house and they all will play inside. So the children became happy. The children were happy to hear this, that they will play inside the Chachi's house. All the children, come on, let us go to Chachi's house to play. The children came to Chachi's house. Inside the house, Chacha and Bua were playing chess. This is the chess game. This is a board game known as chess. This game is played by two players, as you can see in the picture. In Chachi's house, Chacha and Bua were playing chess. So let us learn about some more games which we can play inside our house. The games which we can play inside our house are known as indoor games. The chess is one of the indoor games. These are the indoor games. Look at the examples and look at the pictures. Indoor games. First is chess. This game is played between two players. In this game, small black and white colored objects are there. And this is a mind game which improves your mind power and concentration. Then this is Ludo. Yes, we all love Ludo. Ludo is a board game in which 4 colors are there. And this is Brain Vita. Brain Vita game is used to boost your brain, and it is a game which boosts up your mind power. Then these are also indoor games. Table tennis. This blue colored table is used to play table tennis inside the house. This is snooker. Snooker is one of the indoor games. Snooker is also known as pool table. So these two are indoor games. Carom board. You all are aware about the carom board. It is used to play carom. In carom game, there is a big plywood board on which carom man means the small disc, small white and black colored disc which is used to play carom. And we need to target the disc by using a striker. And chess, we all have learned about chess. Then individual games, swimming, weightlifting and skipping are the individual games. इंडिविजुअल गेम्स आर द गेम्स विच वी कैन प्ले अलोन. ये गेम्स हम अकेले भी खेल सकते हैं. इन स्विमिंग वी कैन compete with others, but we need to swim alone only. Now weightlifting. Weightlifting is a game in which you need to lift the weight. You can compete with others, but you need to lift the weight, as you can see in the picture. Skipping. Yes, skipping is a game which we can enjoy alone, in which we need to jump by using a rope. So, dear children, I believe you all are clear with different kinds of games and you enjoyed the video. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.